Well, we have a problem here today, and that is this wheel dish is totally gone and actually dangerous to be driving on, and it has to be replaced today. So I ordered a new dish and we got it, and I'm kind of hoping it's the right one. Well, I'm glad the disc got here because this is completely ruined and I have to get this fixed before the snow. And I have a lot of other work to do. I left the backhoe on so I can pick up the tire and I can pick up the tractor to get the tire off. And it seemed to me it was going to be the easiest way to do this because I'm working alone here and I'm an old fat guy, so I'm trying to take it easy on the carcass. And nothing's easy. You had to use extended pipe on that wrench to get the nuts off. And look how bad a shape these wheels are in. I can't believe I was driving on that. I'm lucky it didn't fall off on the road, but I knew it was bad. These studs here are not even that great. There, safekeeping. I used the bar here to pry the dish into place so I could line up the holes, and I finally got it on. But now I have to get some work done. I have to get some more firewood cut up, and I got a ton of work to do before the snow flies. Now what I do is I'm finding it much easier to, instead of being bent over, use the backhoe to pick the logs up and then cut them with the power saw when they're in the air. Well, it's easier on the back, it's quicker, and it stops the saw from being dug into the dirt. So I got the wood splitter going and I got it all cut up, and man, it was just in time. The snow came and I didn't even have time to put the snowblower on, so I just left the backhoe on and did it with the plow. I do some snow removal in the neighborhood just to supplement my income. I like using the plow because these driveways are really rough and there's frozen rocks, and if you hit those frozen rocks with the bucket, you fetch up solid and you almost go through the windshield, so it's really hard on gear. But the plow will trip when it hits something and you hardly feel it on the tractor, so it's so much easier. Now this plow is getting in bad shape. It's really too light for the tractor, but that was the only one available at the dealership, so I bought it about 5 years ago. So of course my driveway and my property is the last to get done, so I'm going down to the cabin area and try to do some work down there and do a little bit of snow removal and try to collect some logs to saw up to build a cabin with, and a firewood shed, and just so much to do. You're always at it. And my tractor is the key component to this whole plan, and so I have to keep it up. I have to do all the repairs on it and keep it as good as I can. Nobody ever said this homesteading thing was easy. But if you'd like to follow our journey, click the subscribe button and the bell button. And until the next time, keep your stick on the ice. Thanks for watching.